Hello everybody and welcome back to another video from Tezza. Today, as you can see, I've got the world record paper plane booklet and I'm going to show you the first paper plane inside it, which is this paper plane. Okay, I'll show you how to make it. Okay, we're going to have it this way. We're going to fold it in half like this. Okay, now we're going to open that up. We're going to take this bit here and we're going to fold it to the middle. But when we're doing this bit, make sure your crease is exactly in line with the bottom bit. Okay, so you want your crease to be like there. And only make it to the halfway point. Okay, we're going to copy that exactly the same. Make your folds perfect on this paper plane to make it better. Okay, so you should have that. Okay, what we're now going to do is we've got this and we're going to fold it again like that. So we're going to fold it like that. Okay, what we're now going to do is we're going to do the same here. Okay, so when we're folding this bit, make it exactly in line with this bit here. And fold. So that's what we should have now. Okay, so what we're now going to do is we're going to fold this down here. Don't fold it too much down. Just crease these folds out. Now turn it over. We're going to do the same. We're going to fold it in half. So we should have something like that. Okay, what we're now going to do is we're going to make the wings. So when we're folding the wings, make it like that. So on a diagonal like that. And do it low. Okay, I'm going to do the same to the other side. And when you're doing the wings, make them exactly in line. Otherwise the paper plane will not fly. It'll just go around in circles. Okay, that's your paper plane finished. And that was my first paper plane from this booklet, and I'm going to do a lot more. So if you want me to do more, subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.